100 daily use sentences. Simple past tense. Structure of simple past tense. Affirmative sentence. साधारण वाक्य. Subject plus verb की second form means past form. Verb की second form means past form plus object. For example, she completed the work. She means subject. Completed जो verb की second form है, complete verb की first form and completed वो verb की second form है. The work वो होगा object. उसने काम पूरा कर लिया. She completed the work. Negative नकारात्मक वाक्य. Subject plus did not का short form है didn't plus verb की first form plus object. ओके तो जब did लगेगा तब हम यहाँ पर verb की first form लगाएंगे. She didn't complete the work. She subject होगा. She did not complete verb की first form हम लगाएंगे क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पर did लगाया है. The work ओके वो होगा ऑब्जेक्ट. उसने काम पूरा नहीं किया. इंट्रोगेटिव प्रश्नवाचक. डीड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. डीड हम पहले लगाएंगे इंट्रोगेटिव में. डीड शी कंप्लीट द वर्क. क्या उसने काम पूरा कर लिया. ओके देन WH क्वेश्चन. WH वर्ड प्लस डीड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Where did you go? तुम कहाँ गए थे. ओके यहाँ पर इंट्रोगेटिव जैसा ही है WH क्वेश्चन में, सिर्फ आगे WH क्वेश्चन लग जाएगा. ओके बाकी सब कुछ इंट्रोगेटिव और WH क्वेश्चन में सेम ही होता है, सिर्फ WH क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर आगे लग जाएगा. एंड आपको बस इतना याद रखना है, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म लगेगी एंड जब भी डीड हम लगाएंगे तो डीड के साथ हम लगाएंगे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके नाउ यूजेस ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. फिनिश्ड एक्शन इन द पास्ट. भूतकाल में पूरा हुआ काम. मैं कल उससे मिला. आई मेट हिम यस्टरडे. पास्ट हैबिट पहले की आदत के लिए. मैं बचपन में क्रिकेट खेलता था. I played cricket in my childhood. Series of past actions. भूतकाल की घटनाओं की श्रृंखला. वह कमरे में आया, बैठ गया और पढ़ने लगा. He entered the room, sat down and started reading. Specific time in the past. निश्चित समय के लिए. उसने कल रात मुझे फोन किया था. She called me last night. टाइम वर्ड्स कौन कौन से हैं जो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में यूज होते हैं. Yesterday, last night, last week, in 2022 and ago. Let's do some practice of simple past tense sentences. Affirmative sentences. साधारण वाक्य. मैंने कल उसे फोन किया. I called him yesterday. I called him yesterday. वह आज सुबह देर से उठा. He woke up late this morning. He woke up late this morning. हमने कल मैच जीता. We won the match yesterday. We won the match yesterday. उसने अपना काम पूरा किया. She completed her work. She completed her work. मैं कल बाजार गया. I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. उन्होंने मुझे सच बताया. They told me the truth. They told me the truth. उसने दरवाजा खोला. He opened the door. He opened the door. मैंने नई किताब खरीदी. I bought a new book. I bought a new book. मैं बचपन में रोज जल्दी उठता था. I woke up early every day in my childhood. I woke up early every day in my childhood. वह पहले बहुत मेहनत करता था. He worked very hard earlier. He worked very hard earlier. हम स्कूल पैदल जाते थे. We walked to school. We walked to school. वह रोज डायरी लिखती थी. She wrote a diary every day. She wrote a diary every day. मैं छुट्टियों में दादी के घर जाता था. I visited my grandmother during holidays. I visited my grandmother during holidays. वह कमरे में आया, बैठा और सो गया. He entered the room, sat down and slept. He entered the room, sat down and slept. मैंने दरवाजा खोला और अंदर गया. I opened the door and went inside. I opened the door and went inside. उसने किताब उठाई और पढ़ना शुरू किया. She picked up the book and started reading. She picked up the book and started reading. हम स्टेशन पहुंचे और ट्रेन पकड़ी. We reached the station and caught the train. We reached the station and caught the train. मैंने उसे पिछले हफ्ते देखा. I saw him last week. I saw him last week. उसने मुझे 2 दिन पहले बुलाया. She called me 2 days ago. She called me 2 days ago. हम 2020 में मिले. We met in 2020. We met in 2020. उसने कल रात खाना बनाया. She cooked dinner last night. She cooked dinner last night. मैंने सुबह अखबार पढ़ा. I read the newspaper in the morning. I read the newspaper in the morning. वह शहर बहुत शांत था. The city was very quiet. The city was very quiet. वह समय बहुत मुश्किल था. That time was very difficult. That time was very difficult. वह लड़का बहुत शर्मीला था. That boy was very shy. That boy was very shy. मुझे उसकी बात समझ आई. I understood his point. I understood his point. उसने मेरी मदद की. He helped me. He helped me. हमें उसकी कमी महसूस हुई. We felt his absence. We felt his absence. मैंने उस पल को एंजॉय किया. I enjoyed that moment. I enjoyed that moment. एक दिन वह जंगल में गया. One day he went into the forest. One day he went into the forest. उसने वहां एक शेर देखा. He saw a lion there. He saw a lion there. वह डर गया और भागा. He got scared and ran away. He got scared and ran away. अंत में वह सुरक्षित घर पहुंचा. Finally he reached home safely. Finally he reached home safely. मैंने गलती स्वीकार की. I accepted my mistake. I accepted my mistake. उसने सच बोला. She spoke the truth. She spoke the truth. हम पार्टी में खूब हंसे. We laughed a lot at the party. We laughed a lot at the party. मैंने अपने दोस्त से माफी मांगी. I apologized to my friend. I apologized to my friend. उसने परीक्षा पास की. He passed the exam. He passed the exam. हमने मिलकर फैसला लिया. We made a decision together. We made a decision together. मैंने अपने सपने पर विश्वास किया. I believed in my dream. I believed in my dream. Negative sentences, नकारात्मक वाक्य. मैंने उसे कल फोन नहीं किया. I did not call him yesterday. I did not call him yesterday. वह कल स्कूल नहीं गया. He did not go to school yesterday. He did not go to school yesterday. उसने सच नहीं बताया. She did not tell the truth. She did not tell the truth. ने मैच नहीं जीता. We did not win the match. We did not win the match. मुझे वह फिल्म पसंद नहीं आई. I did not like that movie. I did not like that movie. उसने मेरी मदद नहीं की. He did not help me. He did not help me. उन्होंने समय पर काम पूरा नहीं किया. They did not finish the work on time. They did not finish the work on time. मैं उसे पहचान नहीं पाया. I did not recognize him. I did not recognize him. वह मीटिंग में नहीं आई. She did not come to the meeting. She did not come to the meeting. ने उसकी बात नहीं मानी. We did not follow his advice. We did not follow his advice. Interrogative sentences. प्रश्नवाचक. क्या तुम कल स्कूल गए थे? Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? क्या उसने तुम्हें फोन किया था? Did she call you? Did she call you? क्या हमने मैच जीत लिया था? Did we win the match? Did we win the match? क्या वह मीटिंग में आया था? Did he come to the meeting? Did he come to the meeting? क्या तुमने सच बताया था? Did you tell the truth? Did you tell the truth? क्या उन्होंने काम पूरा किया था? Did they finish the work? Did they finish the work? क्या उसे वह फिल्म पसंद आई थी? Did she like that movie? Did she like that movie? क्या तुम मुझे पहचान पाए थे? Did you recognize me? Did you recognize me? क्या उसने मेरी मदद की थी? Did he help me? Did he help me? क्या हम समय पर पहुंचे थे? Did we reach on time? Did we reach on time? WH questions. तुम कल कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? उसने तुम्हें कब फोन किया था? When did she call you? When did she call you? तुमने यह किताब क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this book? Why did you buy this book? उसने सच क्यों बताया? Why did he tell the truth? Why did he tell the truth? तुम उससे कैसे मिले? How did you meet him? How did you meet him? उन्होंने यह फैसला क्यों लिया? Why did they take this decision? Why did they take this decision? वह पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आया? Why did he not come to the party? Why did he not come to the party? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? उसने वहां क्या देखा? What did she see there? What did she see there? तुम किससे मिले थे? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? उसने यह काम कैसे किया? How did she do this work? How did she do this work? तुमने यह गलती क्यों की? Why did you make this mistake? Why did you make this mistake? वह स्कूल देर से क्यों पहुंचा? Why did he reach school late? Why did he reach school late? तुमने खाना कहाँ खाया? Where did you eat food? Where did you eat food? उसने मुझे क्या कहा? What did he say to me? What did he say to me? तुमने यह कहानी कब सुनी? When did you hear this story? When did you hear this story? उसने वह पैसा क्यों खर्च किया? Why did she spend that money? Why did she spend that money? तुम वहां किसके साथ गए थे? With whom did you go there? With whom did you go? उसने यह काम कब पूरा किया? When did he complete this work? When did he complete this work? तुमने उसे कैसे समझाया? How did you explain it to him? How did you explain it to him? उसने यह बात किसे बताई? To whom did she tell this thing? To whom did she tell this thing? तुमने यह निर्णय क्यों लिया? Why did you take this decision? Why did you take this decision? वह वहां कब पहुंचा? When did he reach there? When did he reach there? तुमने यह काम किसके लिए किया? For whom did you do this work? For whom did you do this work? उसने मुझे वहां क्यों बुलाया? Why did he call me there? Why did he call me there? तुमने उसे क्या वादा किया? What did you promise him? What did you promise him? उसने यह सच कैसे जाना? How did she know this truth? How did she know this truth? तुमने उससे क्या पूछा? What did you ask him? What did you ask him? वह इस काम के लिए क्यों चुना गया? Why was he chosen for this work? Why was he chosen for this work? तुमने अपनी गलती कैसे सुधारी? How did you correct your mistake? How did you correct your mistake?